Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I am going to be showing you guys all of my must-have makeup products for summer 2021 and possibly beyond that. So we're gonna be getting into all of the products that I have just been obsessing over and that I'm probably going to be obsessing over all summer long. So I'm super excited to start talking about that. Before I do, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me, so thank you so much. But if you want to see what products I cannot live without this summer, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, I want to get right into it because there are quite a few products in here actually. So I kind of organized them from like what I would use first to what I would use last on myself, I guess. I didn't include like products from every single category. These are just products that I'm obsessed with myself and that I think would be perfect for the summer months. So let's just get into it. So the first two products actually go really hand in hand with each other. They are the SUPERGOOP GLOWSCREEN sunscreens. This one is for the body and then this one is for the face. They are both SPF 40. But they both give you the most beautiful glow in the world. I had a beach day the other day and I put this one all over my body and I was just feeling myself, you guys. I was like, damn, I look good. Look at how beautiful and glowy this is. Like, it literally just brought my hand to life. And then the same thing goes for the face one. The face one actually has like a tiny bit of a tint to it too, and I wear this every single day under my makeup for work. Like, look at that. Absolutely stunning. The next thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So this I use as like a setting spray. I'll use it to just refresh my makeup. I'll even put it on my face when I'm not wearing any makeup just because it's super refreshing and it gives me a glow without actually having any product on my skin. I've already gone through 2 or 3 bottles of these and I'm anticipating that I'm gonna go through a lot more. So this is a huge, huge recommendation. It's literally good for everything. The next one is a primer that I have literally been using every single day under my makeup every day, and that is the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer with vitamins B, C, and E. This is just super, super hydrating and it just feels so good on the skin. Let me show you guys. I put a little bit right here and I'm just gonna blend it out. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It literally just makes my skin feel so nice and plump and hydrated and good. I'm just obsessed and it's perfect. It has all the vitamins you need, so I love it. The next product is actually a tinted moisturizer, and this is the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. You guys, this is literally pretty much empty right now, and I didn't get this too long ago. I'm actually wearing it right now on my skin, but this stuff is so amazing for so little money. I think I paid like 10 or 11 bucks for this, but I have been using this more than any other foundation or tinted moisturizer that I own. I wear it to work every day. I wear it if I'm going to have like a lunch or to go shopping or whatever the case may be. This just looks so good on my skin. It looks so natural. It feels so just like it's not even there. So beautiful. I love, 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 love that. The next product is a concealer slash eye brightener, and it is the Fenty Eye Brightener. I have this in the shade 7 Deep Butter. I've literally, again, been using this every single day. I'm almost out of this too, and I'm gonna have to get another one because it is so damn good. Like, my eyes have never just looked so bright and hydrated and just wonderful since I started using this. It's just something you have to try. I can't even put it into words. You just have to go out and see for yourself because it's actually pretty shocking how great it is. The next product is a powder actually, and it is my favorite powder. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. I have this in the shade 2 medium. This is the perfect powder. So if you're someone like me who loves doing a lot of cream products, but you still want certain areas of your face to be kind of matted down so they're not looking too crazy oily or wiping away, this is going to be your best friend. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but I think that this is 100% worth your money. This is also a product I will never let myself run out of because it's just amazing. Like, it gives you the most perfect airbrushed look without making your skin look crepey or wrinkly or anything like that. So just stunning. Next is a bronzer. It's actually a cream bronzer, and it is the Chanel Lace Beiges Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. This, so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look too dark when you see it just like this, but it literally gives me the most natural, just like sun-kissed tan. And it looks so beautiful. It just blends in so nicely. My skin just, it takes my skin to the next level when I wear that. The next product, I guess, since we're talking about Chanel already, is this. The Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Fluid Sheer Illuminating Fluid. Yeah. So this is actually like a highlighter, I guess you could say. It's very bronzy. I'll show you guys on my hand. I'm just gonna blend it out. But it literally gives me just the most perfect, not sparkly, but glowy kind of highlight. And what I love to do with this one, especially in the summer, is I will actually put it on underneath my makeup, and that also takes my makeup to the next level. Just gives me that extra glow wherever I want it to. And then if I'm feeling good, I'll do it on top of the rest of my makeup too for that extra pop of highlight. But it's really stunning, especially when you have a tan in the summer. It is just so perfect. And then the next product that I have is from Grande Cosmetics. It's the Grande Pop Plumping Liquid Blush. This is the perfect color. First of all, I have this in Sweet Peach. It is amazing. Literally, let me just show you guys what this looks like. Here it is on here. And when I blend it out, look at that. It's literally the perfect peachy shade. And you guys know how much I love peachy blushes. And this has some kind of ingredient in it that literally plumps up your cheeks. Like, you could feel like a little tingling sensation in your cheeks when you put it on, but it just looks so good. And then I think my favorite glowy blush slash highlighter of those three has to be the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand in the shade Peachgasm. This is the most beautiful, most perfect peachy pink shade. Let me show you guys what this looks like. So it comes with this little brush. I will say that this is very messy. I wish it was done a little bit differently. It makes a big mess every time, but look at this. It's like the perfect combination of a blush and a highlighter. It blends so perfectly with other makeup products. And every single time I wear it, I literally have people coming up to me asking what I'm wearing on my cheeks because it's just stunning. Like, I've never loved a blush slash highlighter so much in my life. Like, I need to get 5 more of these just to have them on deck because I cannot run out of this stuff. And it's just perfect for the summer. Like, I'm wearing it right now and my cheeks just look so glowy and nice, and I'm feeling myself. We're getting close to the end. I'm trying to kind of speed through these so that I'm not talking too much because I know I do that. But the next product that I want to talk about is from Glossier. It's the Brow Flick, and I have this in brown. So this I really love for the summer, especially because when you flick it, it makes like the most perfect like brow-like hairs. Like, when you press it down, I just did a couple on there, but when you press it down on your brow, it doesn't come off too dark, and then it doesn't come off like nothing is even there, if that makes sense. Like, it's like the perfect amount of pigment, and it makes your eyebrows just look so natural, like the hairs are actually yours. and it's just so easy to work with. Now moving on to lips, home stretch guys. The first lip combo, I guess, that I want to talk about, perfect for the summer, because if you know me, you know I love pink lips for the summer. Like pinks and reds are just like my go-to during the summer. The first product I want to talk about is a liner. It's from NARS, and it is the Let's Go Crazy Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. Let me show you guys what this looks like. It's like the perfect hot pink. Look at this. It's so beautiful and it's so creamy. It goes on so easily, and I've noticed for me that it lasts all night when I wear it. The next product I actually saw Patrick Ta talking about. I can't remember whose makeup he did. I think it was Adriana Lima, but when I saw that lip combo, I was like, I need this in my life right now. And I literally ran to the store that day and I bought this, and I've been obsessed with it ever since. It is the Maybelline SUPERSTAY Matte Ink Liquid Lip. Literally the perfect hot pink. I cannot stress enough how beautiful this is, and it matches perfectly with that NARS one. Here we go. So this is the NARS, and then this is the Maybelline. And then the next lip that I want to talk about, for a more kind of everyday wear kind of thing, I'm sure you guys already can guess what it is because I've talked about this lip combo in almost every video, and that is the Pillow Talk lip liner and lipstick. I'm wearing it right now, so I guess I don't need to demonstrate, but I'll show you guys a swatch just anyways. But it's literally the perfect combination of a nude slash a pinky lip. It looks, for me personally, I feel like this complements my skin tone really, really nicely. It just looks so natural, and it always just boosts how my lips look for that day or for that night, whatever. It's just so amazing. But here is the liner, and then here's the lipstick. Honestly, just so, so perfect. If there was one lipstick lip liner combo that I could recommend, it would be that, because so amazing. I just love Charlotte Tilbury. If you have not noticed, there is a pattern. I have quite a few Charlotte Tilbury products in here, so I love it. And then the last lip product that I want to talk about is actually a lip oil. It is the Lip Glow Oil from Dior, and I have this in the shade 001 Pink. This is so perfect, you guys. It says it's pink, but it comes off very, very natural. I'm wearing it with my lipstick combo right now, but look at this. It's like the most subtle pink color. It's almost clear, to be honest. And you can literally use this with anything. You can use it with a lip combo, which is what I did today. You could wear it by itself. It's super hydrating. It feels really good on your lips, and it lasts such a long time. And then the last product is the KKW Beauty Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer, and I have this in the shade Pearl. When I tell you I have tried so many body shimmers, you guys, I just love to look glowy everywhere, not just on my face. And this is so, it just beats every other one that I've tried. When the sun hits, oh my God, it is stunning. So this I especially love because, like I was saying, with other oils or body shimmers, they tend to be really sticky and really uncomfortable to wear, or they have a really strong smell that you just cannot get out. But that's not the case with this at all. Like when you rub it in and you just let it dry for a couple minutes, it stays put. Like I haven't noticed too much transfer. I won't say completely doesn't, because I have noticed in a couple instances that it did transfer a little bit, but I think that might have been because I was sweaty. But for the most part, I haven't had too much trouble with transfer being an issue, at least nowhere near as much as it has been with other products like this. It has like no smell to it whatsoever. And especially when like a certain light or the sun hits your skin when you're wearing this, or especially in pictures, like pictures with flash, oh my God, get it now and thank me later, because it is just so, so perfect. It was so just well done. Like I love this product so much, and I am going to be using this all the time this summer. So those are all of the products that I have for this video. That was kind of a lot of products, but these are all things that I don't think I could live without. especially in the warmer months, you know, just because when it's warm, you want to reach for those like kind of creamy, less coverage, just natural looking products. And all of these have been so good to me, and I'm going to be using them like crazy all summer. Like, you're probably gonna see a lot of these in my videos. I'll probably be wearing them most of the time. I'll be in real life wearing them every single day probably. Some more than others because some are a little bit fancier, but you know what I mean. But just all of these, like, I cannot recommend to you guys enough. They are so worth it. So that is all I have for today's video. I know it was kind of a lot of products, but I hope this was helpful. Like, if you guys were looking for new products to try out or something that you really want to kind of boost your look for the summer months, hot girl summer, then these are going to be your best friends. So yeah, I love these. I hope you guys do too if you end up trying them, or if you already have, let me know your thoughts too. So comment, of course. Give this a big thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.